tells me this I know, for the Bible tells me so. This whole wants to give me all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They are weak, but He is strong.
Come on. Jesus loves me. Jesus.
Una, good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Sunday, 3rd March 2024. Happy Sunday. Our topic today na Your Right Hand Man, Part 2. Our memory verse dey for 2 Kings chapter 3 verse 11, and it talks say, but King Jehoshaphat ask, we no get any prophet among us for here? Make he help us find out from God. One of Israel king's servants come answer, Shaphat pikin, Elisha wey be dey pour water for Elijah hand dey here o. Our Bible reading dey for 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 4 to 12, and it talks say, Elijah come tell Elisha, make you stay here wait for me, because God send me go Jericho. But Elisha answer am, as long as God and you dey alive, I no go leave you. So they come go Jericho together. Then the prophet's sons wey dey Jericho come meet Elisha. They come ask am say, you know say na today God wan take your oga comot for your hands so? Na him Elijah come answer them, yes, I know, but make una dey quiet. Elijah come tell Elisha, make you stay here, make you wait for me, because God send me go Jordan river. But Elisha answer am, as long as God and you dey alive, I no go ever leave you. So they come go together. 50 students wey dey go prophet school come stand dey look Elijah and Elisha as they stand near Jordan river. Elisha come use the garment knack the water, and the water divide into two. The two of them waka pass for dry ground. After they don waka pass, Elijah come tell Elisha, tell me wetin you want make I do for you before God go carry me go heaven. Na him Elisha come answer am, abeg, make you let me get double of the power wey you get. Elijah come answer, wetin you ask for so, e no dey easy o. But if you see me when God dey carry me go, you go get am. But if you no see me, you no go get am. As dem dey waka dey talk dey go, na him one chariot wey get fire come out at once, come separate the two of them. Then strong breeze come carry Elijah go heaven. As Elisha dey look, he come dey shout, my papa, the chariot and soldiers for Israel. So you no ever see Elijah again. Elisha come tear him whole cloth to pieces. Now the message, God fit give you right hand man, he fit even make you be right hand man to another person. No one among these two big pass each other o. Whether God give you person wey be your right hand man, or you yourself na another person right hand man, if you do your work as God wants make you do am, him by himself will reward you well well. I be get one right hand man like that when him name na Pa Abiona. Although he don die now, everybody know am when he dey alive as Papa DGO. They dey call am Deputy General Overseer. When I just be General Overseer that time, when I still young well well, I be don dey the church for only 7 years. But some people dey wey be say they start the church together. Those people don get am for their mind say, I must fail, and e no go get anything wey I talk wey dem no go counter. But this Papa DGO, he dey my back kampe every time. This man reach to be my papa, but he always dey stand by my side. He dey fight all my battle, and he always dey make sure say all the instruction wey I dey give, people to obey them and they dey follow them. E no concern am wetin those people wey dey beef me dey talk about me or wetin dem dey do because of me. That time, e be get one time wey be say Christians like to dey fight and quarrel. The day when I hear say they don start their quarrel again, I come carry the matter meet Papa DGO. He no even allow me make I land finish. He come tell me, "May I no worry, I go deal with them." He dey heaven now, and he wear crown wey get plenty stars because na better right hand man he be to me. For Exodus chapter 24 verse 12 to 15, when God call Moses come inside clouds, na only Joshua follow am go. When Moses wan comot for this world, Joshua no be one of the elders or leaders of any of the tribe wey dey Israel, but Joshua wey be person wey you fit call Moses errand boy, na him God choose to take continue the work and make him lead the children of Israel reach promised land. For 1 Samuel chapter 3 verse 1 to 9, God call Samuel one night. He come see say na Eli dey call am. For midnight when Samuel suppose to dey sleep, he come dey run up and down make he take answer Eli because he think say na Eli dey call am. That one na better right hand man. Because of wetin he do, God come give am power make he fit dey choose king and remove king. My brethren, if God don tell you make you be another person right hand man, you need to look am as opportunity. Make sure say you do your work well as your power reach, and make you know say na only Baba God fit bless you well. The main point for today's message be say if God make you another person right hand man, na assignment wey dey great well and you must take am very important. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Jesus.